Welcome Ji. Let's start. So today we are going to talk on two very basic used data keywords known as a this and the super. So initially whenever initial developer are going to use this and super, sometimes they are confused what the meaning of this and why we are using the this, what the benefit this offer. So we are going to discuss with example how you can use this and what are the different situation and scenario. So this in general definition, this keyword is used to refer your current object, okay, and super keyword are used to access your super class object. Maybe in the case of inheritance, there is a subclass and there is a superclass. So you are want to access the data member, maybe variable, maybe constructor, maybe methods. So this keyword used to invoke or access current variable, constructor, or your any method. From the base class, if you want to invoke the constructor of superclass or invoke the method of superclass or access any variable, you can use super. The super is used to accessing any variable from superclass or any constructor or methods. So both keywords have a same use case: accessing variable, invoking constructor, invoking methods. This is referred to your current object and super refer to your super object. So let us look the example. So let us we have a class base and base class. Let us we have declare one variable a is the one variable. So this is the good, and you can say method like uh, so this variable if you want to use, so you have to use, maybe you can use inside a constructor or you can use inside a method. So let us we have a method like void method a, take your input, okay, a and s out. This is the method where you can use a, okay. So this is the way you can use them any variable. So if you are create the object, new base, and after that you can invoke your method like 10 100. So in this way you are using this variable. So question is that this a and this a, what are the differences? Which a are you are here printing? Which a you are printing? A this variable or this? So for any instance variable, if you want to know, just use the keyword this dot, and you can check this dot. So this is used to access or refer your instance variable or right. So now look, this method a have a two a, one a as a parameter, this is known as local variable, and this is a also, this is known as instance variable. So sometime your local variable is the same name as your instance variable. In this case, this keyword used to refer instance variable, and this without this use the local variable. So this is the one use case. Similarly, sometime you want to this a can be used inside the constructor. Similarly, let's constructor is also kind of a special method, but the name is the same as its class name, but they have any return types. So here you can access, maybe inside the constructor, right? Inside the constructor. So whenever you are creating any object, default constructor by default invokes. So if you run, so here you will notice that both refer your, this is the local variable, this is your local variable, this is your instance variable. So for accessing any instance variable in any constructor or even in any method, okay, please use this keyword to access your instance variable or any instance method, or so this is the one use. So sometime let's key in the constructor I want to give some initial value to the instance variable. So how can do? You have to write kind of a overloaded method, and here say key this I want to initialize with a, and so just comment out and say key whenever I am going to creating a new object, I want to give some instance variable value. So how you can assign this variable, this 50 value to your instance variable? If you run this instance variable, a cannot initialize with the 50, but you want, how will do? So if here you say no, I have a variable a equal to a, I can assign. I want to assign this input 50 value, whatever the come here, I want to assign this a. If you write a equal to a, compiler confused. There are two a, one a local, one a instance. So which a you want to? So compiler by default give the preference to a local. If you are not specifying any keyword this, they are assuming you are referring only this a local variable. So they are not assign this 50 value to your instance variable. If you notice, local variable a 50, but instance variable is still 0. So here this is the make some importance. So here you can see this dot. So you are saying ki just assign this variable to 100. And you run it. So now your this instance variable are initialized. So this is only now your instance variable also initialized and local variable. Maybe you can change a local variable. Now here say a equal to 1 2 3. You can change the value. You can just change the a. Now a local variable change. This is change, but your instance variable itself not a change. If you access. Now your local variable change, but instance variable not change. Instance is referred to the this. So this is the one use, this keyword used to access your instance variable. Generally use this when your local variable name and instance variable name is same. If both are the different, you can use directly. So only if name is collide, your local variable have a same name as the instance variable. If you want to access or assign value to instance variable, please use this keyword. So this is the one use, this keyword to access your instance variable, or even you can access your instance method. Let's see, we have a method without a. So without a, here you can access. So this second use of this keyword can access invoke this keyword invoke your instance method even, right? So this, or even you can invoke directly, because method a overloaded is only one method. So this is not make sense. Thus generally this keyword is not used to invoke the instance method, because there is no method A duplicate. This is the overloaded method. So you can write code like this dot method A or direct method A, both way. But generally preference way, don't use like this way. So here your methods, just see, this is the argumented. So it's confused. This is the argumented our method, or this is the without argumented. So we know ki without argumenteds are invoked. So second use, this can be used to access any instance method. This is your instance method, or even you can say this is 5 key 98. Now you can access this method. So this key, second use, this keyword can be used to invoke your method. Now this is invoke method. You pass 98, your local variable. This is your local variable. This change, but your this dot a is not changed. But in the case of invoke methods, default argument, they still refer a, also refer the same, and this dot a also refer the same. So if your local variable does not have any name conflicting, and you are using the instance variable, don't need even this. So here you don't need this, because in the local there is no any a variable redefined. So this keyword is only help if your methods, a constructor, have already local variable with the same name, then you are going to use this. If any constructor or any method there is no any same name variable as an instance, there is no need of this keyword. So here you can avoid this, no need of this. So this second use of this is to access your instance method. And third use is this can be used to invoke a constructor. So let's give our default constructor here. Now you want to invoke this constructor. Okay, let us now so this can be used to access your this constructor. So this is also, so if you previously this output, let's run it. So you notice that your one argument constructor invoke, after that you can invoke your so this is the your base default argument constructor invoke, and after that your one argument constructor invoke. So this is the your argumented constructor, this argumented constructor. So one thing notice here, whenever you are going to use this use for the constructor invoke, the please ensure this as a constructor is the first line. You cannot write this as a second line here. The please be note, this must be the first statement in the constructor body. So this is the one point please consider. Okay, so this keyword can use to invoke the your constructor. So let us instead of writing this, you say I want to this. I want to create the default constructor, and from default I want to initialize your this with the let's say default value 1999. So sometime you want, whenever anyone create my class object, I want to initialize one default value to there, and for that already one constructor you created, so you can use this constructor. So from default constructor you are invoking your argumented constructor. If you run here, you are not providing any default value for your instance variable, but you can here invoke your argumented constructor. So you notice that you are invoking first this base constructor, but base invoke this argumented constructor. Argumented constructor first invoke, this is the argumented constructor, and after that your method invoke, and after that this is base class constructor parameter print. So please note that whenever you are invoking this dot argumented constructor, your control goes from here to here. So this is the three use of your this in the case of current class. So clear. Now some second keyword is a super. Super is always used. Let's we have a here a base class like subclass, class, subclass. Let's extend yes base class, and let us assume this class also define the same variable name. Same variable name here. The similarly same concept here. You can use this. You can use this as a constructor. So first thing, notice that. Okay, S out. This is your subclass constructor. With the so here you can use a, or even you can use this dot a, or even you can use super dot a. This is the super, this is instance, this is local instance, this is super instance. So whenever you are creating a subclass object, let's create the subclass object. Subclass object. So let us just comment out this. Okay, so this is the thumb rule. Whenever you are creating the object of any subclass, first the base class object is created. After that, your subclass object is created. If you run it, you will notice that first your base class constructor invoke and then your subclass constructor. So your base class constructor invoke and after that your subclass constructor invoke. Right? So here again, maybe base class construct initialize with the default value this way. Okay, and for such a time just comment out this. Okay, so this is only a sign, and if you run it, so you notice that here your base class initialize with a local variable a99 and this instance variable also. Here you look your local variable a in your a local variable, there is no any local variable, so that means a is your instance variable. Here 0, but here you look, you can access, if you are accessing a, you are getting a 0. You are accessing this dot a, still you are getting a 0, but you are accessing super dot a, they are getting 99. Means here you are accessing a variable of your superclass this, and this is initialized with a. Okay, so one thing might be case here, one I will let's argumented constructor. Let's we have argumented constructor, or here you can define the same variable like a. So now this a for the local variable, this is your current variable, and this is your super variable. Now let us say I want to give the let's key 56 as a subclass. So whenever you invoke subclass, this argumented constructor invoke, and here they are a is equal to 65. Local variable a should be 65. Super variable as defined in the superclass default 99. So local variable of 56. Local variable, let's see now, give a argumented constructor. So it's clear that this is the argumented constructor invoked. So here your argumented constructor invoke, this a is refer, this is the local a, this a not refer to this, even this a not refer to your superclass. So if you want to access this a instance variable, you have to use this use to access your instance variable, but super use to access the same name variable that is defined in your superclass. So please use this keyword or super keyword is only help if the variable name is the same name defined as an instance variable in the subclass or base class. If they have a different name, don't need this and super. Similarly, let us I want to, if someone invoke this default, I want to give some at least some default value. So let us I use this keyword use to invoke your class constructor. I say here this you can use. Let's key default 8080. So this keyword is same for invoke same constructor. That is the good part. But what happened? Let's run it. Just invoke the default constructor. So default constructor say कि I can invoke argumented constructor and an argumented constructor can assign the value. Argumented constructor invoke first, assign, but here you notice again instance variable is 0, local variable is 0 in the case of default. But in the case of instance, this is initialize, but a instance dot is not initialize because this a local value are not assigned to this class. So how to assign? So here say whenever I say this dot a equal to a. Now you are saying whenever one argument constructor invoke, I want to assign input local variable to your instance variable. So this is the instance variable, you assign the local variable, and after that you notice your subclass instance variable also initialize. Correct. It's okay. So now let's look up the one use of super keyword to access your instance variable. Second use is also invoke the. Now let's define again method here. Same method in here. You can define same method A with a subclass. Okay, subclass. If from here, from this constructor, if let's you invoke the method A, so here problem which methods they are invoke? They are invoke this method or they are invoke this method. If you run it. So you notice they are invoke the sub method. So always compiler give the preferences if you are not specifying anything. First they are looked if there is any local method A, yes they are invoking the local method A. But here you want this should invoke the super this method base class construct method. So how do here you can use the super dot, and after that you will check this will invoke your super class method. Invoke the super class, your base class you can say. Here you can say base. Correct. So this super also use two use. One use to access your instance variable, and second use invoke your super method. Similarly, third use this can use to invoke the super constructor, super class constructor. So instead of I say I want to this initialize not this. First things let's if you have not any constructor, that then what? Whenever you are creating a subclass constructor, they are going to invoke the base class constructor. Let us assume in base class you have not defined the base class constructor default. The first problem, please ensure whenever you are going to write any subclass and subclass does not have any kind of constructor, but base class have only defined the argumented constructor. So by default compiler not create the default constructor. So compiler here say no default argument constructor. So how to fix? So first way say we have this default constructor. From default constructor, from default constructor, this base class define one argumented constructor. So we can say originally that whenever you are creating the base subclass object, first base class object create, after that subclass object create. So for creating a base class object, there is no default constructor, only one argumented constructor. They are not going to initialize. So here super help us. Super say super just invoke the super class constructor. A super class constructor have one only argumented constructor. You can give some argumented constructor value. Now this super help us to initialize the base class object. So in this way you can solve the problem. So sometime in the subclass, from subclass you want to initialize the object of your base class. This is the only problem happen if in base class you can define some constructor. So this is also one condition. Super is the also first line of constructor. You cannot say super here, right here. So this is, please ensure super whenever you use as a constructor or this as a constructor, this should be the first line. So please ensure whenever you are using this or super as a constructor, that would be the first line of your constructor. Now your base class initialize and then your super class initialize. So this is the one use. One way, let's you have also uh, even this keyword also used from your another constructor. Let's we have one argument constructor, and you can also use one argument constructor like 666. So maybe your base class subclass created with argumented constructor or default argumenter is still it works. In this case here you can even use done, or even you can pass your a whatever the input you are receiving. So your base class a and super class a both have a same value. Here the different value, and both have a same value. So this is the basic use of your this super. So this is the only problem to solve when your base class or subclass have a same name, a variable or method. So this help us to decide how can access your instance variable or instance method. So now it's clear this keyword used to access your look instance variable or instance method. Similarly, super keyword used to access your instance variable of your superclass or instance method of your superclass or invoke the superclass constructor. The three use: invoke the constructor of superclass, in access the superclass variable, and access the superclass method only when in superclass define the same name variable or same name methods. By default you are not specify super and not specify super keyword, they are try to invoke your local. Always compiler give preferences to your local variable. So sometime you want not access the local variable but instance variable or super class variable, at that time you have to use the super keyword. So this is the very simple use case. Just this keyword, this and super solve the problem when developer define the same name instance variable, same name local variable. So sometime compiler always prefer the local variable, they ignore the instance variable. So you want to access the instance variable, you have to use this. Similarly for variable, similarly for method, or similarly for constructor. Similarly here Only problem happen if your subclass also define the same name variable as a superclass. A class also have a variable and subclass also have a same a variable. The sometime you want to this a variable or superclass or in local variable. So here a have a local variable, always give preference local variable. Some you want to this instance variable, so this can use to access your current instance variable. But you want to same variable defined in the base class, you want to access the base class, then you have to use the super dot a. So this is the chaining where this super this solve us only in the case of name conflicting. If both class have a different variable, different name, no need the use of this. This is only help when developer define the same variable name or same method name. And in the case of constructor, whenever base class defines some argumented constructor, and that time whenever you are going to write a subclass object, and subclass is not going to created until base class object is created. So from subclass you want to create the object of base class, you can use to invoke the constructor, maybe argumented constructor or default argumented. In the case of constructor, please note, in the case of this or in the case of super, this and super would be the use first line of your constructor. A constructor invoke from constructor only. Constructor invoke, you cannot invoke constructor from any method. You cannot invoke constructor from any method, right? So whenever you are going to use this or super as a constructor invocation, please ensure you can invoke the constructor of same class from the one constructor, or you can invoke the constructor of superclass from the subclass constructor only. And always constructor invocation would be the first line of your constructor. So hope this information will help you to get the better understanding about the this and super. For more clarification, please write your code and play this way. Accessing the same name variable, without same name variable, accessing instance method or your constructor. So both this and super have a three uses. Access your instance variable, access your instance method, or invoke the constructor, same class constructor or super class constructor. From this note, I would like to say thank you for watching this video.